Hi there, I'm Dan, co-founder here at PPC Geeks. So what is PPC in Google Ads? Well, today I'll explain the 6 key areas of PPC in Google Ads for you. PPC stands for pay per click, a model of internet advertising in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. In the context of Google Ads, PPC is a way for advertisers to bid for a placement on Google's sponsored links when somebody searches on a keyword that is related to your business or offering. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. So here's how PPC works in Google Ads. Number 1, keyword research. Advertisers identify keywords relevant to the business that potential customers are likely to use when searching for the products or services across Google. Number 2 is your ad creation. So advertisers like yourself, you create ads that will show up in Google search results. And these ads can include text, images, or even video. This content is designed to attract clicks and drive traffic to your website or landing page. Number 3 is that you bid on keywords. Advertisers like yourself bid on the keyword that you've chosen, specifying how much that you're willing to pay for each click. Now this bid, along with other factors like ad relevance and your landing page quality, will determine if your ad even appears in the search results and what its position will be. Number 4 is pay for clicks. So advertisers only pay when someone clicks on your ad. The cost per click can vary wildly depending on the competitiveness of the keyword, the quality of your ad, and many other factors. So number 5 is ad placements. So ads are placed at the top or bottom of Google search results or on partner websites through the Google Display Network, depending on the type of campaign and settings that you choose. Number 6 is performance monitoring and adjustments. So advertisers can monitor how your ads are performing, including how many impressions you've had, how many clicks, and conversions that you're receiving. Now, based on this data, you can adjust your bids, ad copy, your keywords to ultimately improve your performance. The goal of PPC advertising is to lead the person viewing your ad to click through to your website or your app, where that visitor can then complete a valuable action for yourselves, such as purchasing a product or signing up for your newsletter. It's a fundamental component of digital marketing strategy, offering a fast, flexible and highly measurable way of reaching potential customers. Well, remember, if you're spending £10,000 per month or more on your PPC spend, I recommend you booking for a free PPC audit with us. As you'll know, we have a large team of dedicated PPC experts who are ready and waiting to show you how to improve your results. Yes, we've done this for over 1,000 brands just like yours, and we can really help you get better results and fast. So make this year your best ever by simply going to Google, typing in PPC Geeks free Google Ads audit. And remember, if you have any questions or queries, simply reach out to us. Well, thanks again for your time, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon.